Did you know that a dashcam could potentially save you thousands of dollars and headaches in case of an accident or insurance claim? Well, that's exactly what we're talking about today. Welcome back to Autovated, where we take a deep dive into the latest and greatest automotive products, helping you make informed decisions before you hit the road. Today, we're reviewing the Vantrue N4S Dashcam Bundle, a 3-channel dashcam setup designed for maximum coverage with its front, inside, and rear cameras. This model is equipped with cutting-edge features like STARVIS 2 night vision, 2.7K plus 1440p plus 1440p video recording, and enhanced license plate recognition. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. Product overview. The Vantrue N4S dashcam boasts impressive specifications, including a 2.7K front camera, a 1440p inside camera, and a 1440p rear camera. Its 158 degrees front, 165 degrees interior, and 160-degree rear wide-angle lenses provide almost complete coverage, ensuring you capture every critical moment around your vehicle. Plus, it offers 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast download speeds and dual-system GPS logging for precise tracking of your vehicle's location and speed. Vantrue's exclusive PlatePix technology enhances license plate recognition, making it easier to identify vehicles involved in an accident. And with IR night vision and HDR, you're guaranteed clear footage even in low-light conditions. The dashcam also features 24/7 buffered parking mode, which records potential hit-and-runs or break-ins, providing that peace of mind when you're away from your car. For installation, the included Hardwire kit enables seamless integration with your vehicle's power supply. Key features. 1. 3-channel coverage. Front, inside, and rear cameras ensure all-around protection. 2. STARVIS 2 and HDR night vision. Enhanced clarity in low-light conditions, so you never miss a detail. 3. PlatePix technology. Improved license plate recognition, perfect for insurance claims. 4. Waterproof rear camera. IP67 rated and performs in harsh conditions, including rain and dust. Real-world testing and usage. I've scoured expert reviews and verified user feedback to test this product's real-world performance. Across the board, users report impressive video quality, especially in night driving scenarios, where the STARVIS 2 sensor really shines. The PlatePix technology does indeed improve license plate readability by up to 1.5x in most cases, which could be a game changer during a hit-and-run situation. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity makes it easy to share and review footage in no time. In terms of installation, hardwiring is a requirement to use the parking mode, but it's relatively simple for DIYers with the included kit. Pros and cons. Pros. Comprehensive coverage. The 3-channel recording setup provides full protection from all angles. Excellent night vision. STARVIS 2 and IR lights provide crystal clear footage even in total darkness. Improved license plate recognition. PlatePix boosts recognition significantly. Durability. The rear camera's IP67 weather resistance ensures it handles tough conditions without issues. Cons. Requires hardwiring. To fully use the 24/7 parking mode, you'll need to hardwire the dashcam, which might not be ideal for everyone. Complex setup for non-technical users. While the app simplifies playback and sharing, initial setup may take time, especially for first-time users. Comparison with competitors. Compared to competitors like the Blackview DR900X 2CH, the Vantrue N4S excels in its price-to-performance ratio, offering similar 3-channel coverage at a more affordable price point. However, Blackview offers better cloud integration for remote viewing, a feature that the Vantrue N4S lacks. Build quality and longevity. The Vantrue N4S dashcam is built to last, with solid construction and weatherproof cameras that can withstand the elements. Though we don't have long-term reliability data yet, Vantrue's reputation in the dashcam market is strong, and initial feedback from users suggests this model is a reliable option for daily drivers. Customer support. Vantrue's customer service reputation is generally positive, with quick response times and helpful technicians ready to assist with the installation or troubleshooting. Although no personal interaction has been had, many verified reviews praise their support for resolving technical issues promptly. Who it's for. The Vantrue N4S dashcam is perfect for anyone who wants comprehensive coverage and peace of mind while driving or parked. It's ideal for Uber drivers, families, rideshare drivers, or anyone concerned about security. However, If you're a performance driver looking for ultra-sleek design and features, you may want to look at other models that cater more toward high-end functionality. Conclusion: strong option if you value all-around protection, superior night vision, and enhanced license plate recognition. The Vantrue N4S Dashcam is one of the strongest choices in its class. It's reliable, offers great value for the price, and delivers top-notch performance across all 3 channels. Call to action: if this breakdown is helpful, a quick like and subscribe would really help us out. This helps us bring more great reviews straight to your dashboard. Links to the product mentioned are in the description and comments box below. Let us know if you've had any experience with the Vantrue N4S, or if you have any questions. As always, thank you for watching. Drive safe, and we'll catch you next time. Autovated, where innovation meets the road.